Suncoast Center for Fine Scale Modeling has an open house every third Saturday from September through May. I'm going to show you what we saw when we were there a few weeks ago. I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And at the Suncoast Center for Fine Scale Modeling, we see a lot of model railroads there, as far as Muskrat Ramble, Dolly Varden Mines, Sundance Central, and Silverton Central. Now they have a new one that's coming out. I think they said they're going to expose it on October, but they gave us a sneak peek of it. They also have a lot of dioramas there of every aspect of modeling, not just model railroading. I'm going to show you what they have new there also. But before we get to that, go ahead and hit my subscribe button. You know why? Because it's free. You don't have to pay a thing for it. And don't forget to ding that bell so you could be notified whenever I have a new video coming out. Because YouTube doesn't notify you unless you ding that little bell there. When you're leaving Arby's, don't forget to ding. That's all. There it is. Good one. It was kind of lame to begin with. And check out my playlist where you will find a lot of different videos categorized for you to find easily. So let's see what they got here at Suncoast Center for Fine Scale Modeling. Here we go with some of the new displays that they have. Here are some of the existing displays that I don't think that I showed you in previous videos.
I know. They said there were 2 DVD films and we had to make the others.
Here is an 18-foot long modular switching railroad that they have in the back room that isn't on display yet. I think they said it will be out in October.
So the frame with the unit frame, it's that stick stuff that's pushed together. Yeah. And it goes across all the way at the top. And we still had to put a wire cable pulling it all back up. Oh, I see. These, I tell you, we had a plastic connector. And it was only like
so we came over here to our runabout.
We did a tubing, and it just So you fixed the 130 over there. Yeah, that's your. Would you have to replace? I don't know. I'll show you. Yeah.
Backtrack, it's turned in a little bit to tip it, so these are some of the adjustments. Now you can sit on it. I'm going to put this over here. The best place for us to park this car is going to be on this track here.
Yeah, it is.
All we can put it on that track there too.
That's yours.
So that's what I'm top of this is what we've seen. Maybe that was
Almost too long for a garage.
Tim's garage.
Huh?
Tim's garage.
I've got a big one, huh? Put this one in here.
bring this car and deliver it back over there.
Now that was a great looking switching railroad. That's an 18-foot long and it's in O scale, and they use code 55 rail on that for O scale. Now that would be nice to put in HO or even down to N scale. That's a lot of switching that you could do on that plan right there alone. That is just a sampling of some of the displays that they have at Suncoast Center for Fine Scale Modeling. If you're ever in Florida through the months of September and May, and it's the third weekend, and you're near Tampa, it's just north of Tampa, so go take a look at it. I'm going to do a second video of the model railroads that are the Sundance. You've already seen Muskrat Ramble, Dolly Varden, and Silverton Central, but I'm going to show you a little bit of those and what John Addison has added to the Silverton Central. And this the Sundance Central has a few more displays and changes on it from the last time that I did a video on it. So until next time, we'll see ya.